jury. We'll be dancing to it.
Reagan, you gotta open the curtains all the way.
Here they go. Wait, I need to put my helmet on. No, we're not ready yet.
Get ready.
They've got to get their Trinity.
We have to get our accessories on.
Ow, man. Okay, they're ready.
Alright, well, open the curtain.
Hurry, hurry.
Okay, well it doesn't have to be. Why do we have to be in such a rush?
It's kind of warm in here for all of us.
What?
It's just kind of warm in here for all of us.
Is Laney in this one?
Fine, we'll quit the
Yeah, let
play.
Lainey be in this one, Reagan.
Fine, she's just gonna be a ballerina.
Well, that's fine. That's what she wants to do.
Alright, well,
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Jingle bells,